Hi there, this is Maher. So in this lecture I'm going to show you how we can open the box that I have received from the CISO for the DEC750. So what we will get inside this box and what are the components. So I'm going to show you that this box is still closed. I didn't open it yet because I wanted to do this video for you. So let's go directly and open the box of the DEC750. So this is the box that I have got from the CISO. And you can see over here it's mentioned officially OPNsense certified hardware. So if we open the box, you can see that you get a letter over here, and in this letter it shows you how you can connect to the OPNsense, what is the username and password. So very important to keep this letter when you get this box. Now here we see that we got an adapter. That is the power adapter to be able to power on OPNsense. And here we got also a cable for console. So this is the console cable. And then this is the hardware itself. This is the OPNsense DEC750. So you can see here DEC700 series. And over here you can read that it is DEC750, the serial number. So what is nice to show you here about the ports, so those two ports, X1 and X0, they are 10 gigabit per second ports, so they are SFP+. Those three ports, they are 2.5 gigabit per second using RJ45 connectors. And then you have an USB here, and over here you have the console cable in case you want to connect to the console. This is the LAD for the power, and from the back side, this is where you have to plug in for the power to be able to power on this device. So you can see it's very simple. It's less than 1 kilo. I think it's about 800 grams, and it is having not a very big size, and you can put it anywhere that you wish to put it. So this is all what I wanted to show you in this lecture. So now you know how the DEC750 looks like, and we know what are the ports that this device has, and also we know what are the components that comes, like the adapter, the console cable as well. So in the upcoming lecture I'm going to start connecting to this DEC appliance, and I'm going to start configuring and doing labs on the OPNsense. So see you in the upcoming lecture.